Thanks for coming back to Racing Randomness. Today, we're going to take the Hellcat REDEYE, throw it on the dyno here at CAI Performance in Columbus, Ohio. We're going to get a good baseline number on it and see what it makes. And then what we're going to do is we're going to throw a cold air intake on it while it's on the dyno. Now, a lot of people say that the REDEYE will not pick up any horsepower because it already has an open air box design. And if you look right here, you can actually see this is open to the atmosphere. Now, unlike the original Hellcats that had a closed air box, they picked up a good amount with a cold air intake. So we're going to see if there's any benefit to throwing a full-size cold air intake on the Hellcat REDEYE. The cold air intake is available on CarlyleRacing.com. It comes in 3 colors, white, black, or wrinkled black finish. It is $349. Be sure when you order to let them know that it is a REDEYE because there are some differences between the two intakes. I chose to have the intake color matched because with this sublime green, I figured it would really look good and give a nice accent under the hood, as you can see in these photos. Hey guys, I want to give an extra shout out to CAI Performance in Columbus, Ohio for allowing us to use the shop and their dyno to film this video. If you liked today's video, give the subscription button a click. We'd really appreciate it. Share the video, tell your friends. We got a lot more great content coming up, including a surprise video with this 6-wheeled beast. We have another vehicle unveil coming up later this week, and then we're also going to be doing a feature video on a twin turbo Lambo with a twist. So once again, thanks for watching.